Did you see Elon Musk there? Did you see the gate? Did you see Jeff Bezos? I was here. Ship dealer. Ship dealer. Ghana Henry Sikeni. In fact, we are seeing in Sikenia. Or as I swear, so Yenya and Subida. Ship dealer, Oliver Kahn. Abetrana been concerning Richard Nii Armah Blonia birthday na course. Now one folk be say, yeah, who ship dealer was say because as you can for birthday party. You know, say ship dealer so Oliver Kahn so dey sika wo ho. Sika wo ship dealer ho. I think at least I was say to me who birthday na say. Na ship dealer abetrana bo. Die ntia ye hu birthday na say o tire say je birthday di kra de. Ye nkura pet. Oh no just say. Okojo ne onyo ne pet wo heavy na say akọ pet dey party ketwa. How you pay your blog media? Let's say any demo. Over like if video down my subscribe button and snap click the notification icon for latest updates. Snap the agenda about me ever comment section. Let's also basso and watch every money as any be ashe. And closely 2 weeks ago, Anna Richard Nii Armah Penyah on Bills Credit Limited was celebrating the 40th birthday in a grand style as even before the birthday in the crown. Auto Bugatti Chiron SR to a private jet that worth $29 million combined, both the Bugatti and the private jet. It cost $29 million combined in the plus duties and other things actually the guy do hood. Emma the birthday in India. Enye easy birthday ye do Africa ABC baby ada.
As our guests actually take their seats, ladies and gentlemen, tonight it's all about RNQ40. RNQ40. It's the big 40 tonight, and it's going to be, I mean, FBI had such an electrifying performance. RNQ.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, with a round of applause and all the love you can give, let's welcome the man of the hour, Richard Nii Armah.
The birthday, East Africa Bebiada. The birthday was nice, everything was on point. After birthday, the grand also chair, the workers no. Or chair omunyina special gift.
Today, our company is in a better position than it has always been over the past 15 years of our operations. And this has only been made possible because of the presence of all of you here today. In view of your efforts, I have taken a decision with the board to reward you all with 100% bonus today. Yes, guys, I am not done. I am not done. I have also taken a decision to increase the salaries of all staff. Yes, guys. Everyone in this company will have his or her salary increased by 20%. Success does not come to anyone by accident. This is why I always ensure that in this company, success is recognized, rewarded, and duly celebrated. I am fully aware of the financial implications of the decisions I am making to you all today. The finance department has duly informed me that this decision would cost us not less than 30 million Ghana cedis extra to our already existing huge staff cost. But I am still committed to making this decision today.
I has a mind when he has really lived the life. Bob Brankasa. If life be football, he has played well. Bob Brani, he has played life very, very well. Bob Bra. The birthday in there, it is one of the most talked about birthday in the world. There's an wash. Anoshipa. Now after the birthday, no nice amount for throw questions. If I'm from Penyah, now ship dealer cry, uno call ship dealer or claims oh sika, Ghana Henry Kenny, a we are seeing Kenny, other than young one see because you despite to all East Legon executives, the woman now was here, despite echo be the birthday the cuckoo then be a new one was as we have so dear. Omuko hobby. By young Oliver Kind, ship dealer. Ship dealer feel better or Becassa. Now ship dealer Ecas nobody say. Momo say Richard Nii Armah o sika o billionaire and within birthday into me mercy. Much as a man quasi into Minisicano. Obi say Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Jeff Bezos no baby obu baby there.
Na say ani who say yenya bakwa onso nyame ato ne nsem. A friend of Richard Nii Armah. Richard Nii Armah.
No kra na me ka kira no.
Onkra na bako no. Now you for the 40th birthday. Me escafodi bebre koi.
Sase me wa kan ye kira mu nso anu adwa. Maka kira wo se Elon Musk Kobi. Bill Gates Kobi. Jack Bezos Okobi.
David.
Me kopɛ die. Me kopɛ die. Die na me kopɛ no ase.
I say o class one and two.
Who say birthdays are waka nyina no tough ones na waka nyina no nya asase su no mdi no. Say me be jump akọ pum kra na akọ dim birthday. Na fe kra de ma ble. Anu an se me pe shipa. Be 19. To aso be 19.
Now dinos.
Na me shall last stop one me. We have to enjoy, we have to chill.
Okay, anyway, that brings to mind Jeff.
Should I say, yeah? Ship dealer never lose a fight. He never lose. He always win. He never lose. Baby, you're the last man I can And I had a crack. Yeah, who begin to ask it? Jeff Bezos, young who Magazaka began who know. Young well or mask was it. And how can you tell me, say, go ye seek for babe, there was a ship that I knew Janet Juma Hopper. Debbie. And why no? Ship that I just away, and young crown tot of your babe, the woman of no yes, come birthday. Don't know quite say, ye, yes, ye, 18. Mahun was here, a deal. Ship dealer, I be explaining. Yet your baby change the course. No, well, maybe. Are you okay? And as still, you have something to say about that. You better try your comment. I will comment section. I pay your media.